You guys, I'm so excited to share with you all today's video. I got the best deals at Five Below store ever. Okay, I'm done. That's it. I'm going to quickly show you all what I got at what price. So this is the first product that I want to talk about. This is Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette and it's called Lights Off. If you go to Target, you'll get this at original price of $5.99. But guess what happened? I was at the Five Below store the other day and I get to see that everything was 50% off. Are you kidding me? Then the next one that I got is another eyeshadow palette from the brand called LA Colors. It's called the Sweet 16 color eyeshadow. So this is the one that I've used today. You'll get to see in the quick tutorial. And these are the eyeshadows you can see, totally perfect for daily wear. I love such kind of eyeshadows. So yeah, this is what I used today. The other one that I got is this amazing eyeshadow palette. There's glitter, there's metallic eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow, big highlighters. Packaging, it's so classy and girly. As you know, Five Below store carries everything for $5 or below, and this one again $2.50 only. Now this one I got for $1.50. Original price was $3 and I used this today as well. And the last one is the lip product that I got. It's $3.99 original price. That too I got 50% off. And this is the Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousse. Such a big name, oh my god. So that's what I used today. It's very comforting on the lips and I love such browns on my skin tone. Not too dark and not too light. So check out your nearest Five Below stores. They keep changing their collection based on the seasons. So yeah, check them out.